Here's how to check which Nintendo Switch you have, version 1, version 2, OLED, or Lite. The first thing that you're going to do is go ahead and go at the back of your Nintendo Switch and you will see there the model type that you have. So this is an example of the model that you have. As you can see, it is version 2.6a. So if it is on version 1, you will see that this is on version 1.0, or if it's on version 3, you will see version 2.3 or 3.0. Also, you have to make sure that your Nintendo Switch is made in China or made in Japan. So these are the only manufacturer that Nintendo Switch has. Afterwards, you can also see the version that you have at the box or packaging of the Nintendo Switch. Or you can scan the barcode at the right side of the back of the Nintendo Switch and it will show you the version it has.